when you get close, this is a good sample of the LED ring. So you have a bunch of LEDs separated by a little divider right there. And there's an LED all the way around the ring. And then a higher LED that goes around where the eyebrow is. And then the high beams, I don't know about the high beams, I never checked. There might be LED too. The fog light, as you can see, LED. The mirror, really bright, LED. Now for this car, I did a conversion. When I bought this car, I had a crash rear bumper and needed a right tail light. So I ordered one tail light, and the guy sent me both tail lights. And when I got them home and I put them in, I noticed these are the Euro tail lights because the circle is yellow. On the American version, it's all red. So inadvertently, I did a Euro headlight taillight conversion without really even wanting to, because I bought the regular taillights and the guy sent me the Euro taillights. So as you can see, they look pretty good. Definitely makes this car more unique than an average Q50 on the road. Now, the same thing with the taillights and the headlights, they have the same theme. They have the ring of LEDs that goes around here. And then they have the eyebrow that grows across the top. Very similar to the front. So I think they did a really nice job with these LEDs. And there's also an LED reverse light. So let me know what you guys think about that. Do you guys prefer the American regular version with the red and turn signals, or do you like the Euro version the way I have here with the yellow? I'm just gonna go around the car real quick so you can check it out. And this car is for sale, by the way, because I'm looking to upgrade to the QX60. So if anyone's interested, I'm letting it go for pretty cheap. So just inbox me and we'll talk about it.